Sorry, Kuma, go for
GM,
it.
GM,
My
GM.
apologies.
Hope you guys
No,
can
I was
hear
gonna
me.
say while we were having this conversation, like one of my friends posted
Uh,
the Kaido Genesis NFT at
oh,
3.38 ETH now.
What?
wait, what? Are you serious? Get out of here, man.
Three NFTs away from 420.
Oh
Whoa.
my god, $6,200 floor. Cool.
No fucking way. So doing a three X in a week. Like I said, I mean we don't always win. Just take a chance, right? Don't let fear paralyze your decision. That's it, guys. That's it.
Yo, seriously, guys, I mean, this is probably one of the better,
All right,
like
guys, how you doing, man? Sorry. I'm back. I'm on the space right now. They're about to end. I host 2 shows per day. This is the second one, so I appreciate you guys for coming. Much love.
2,200 to 6,200.
That's crazy. That NFT went nuts like that. I'm not surprised though. Wait, we talk about the NFT. We can see a bit in the space.
We're literally putting y'all on. Look how thin it is. 6,100, 6,300, 7,200.
That's
Look how close,
insane.
76. Bro, then you're through 8, and then 8 ticks, 12 ticks.
That's crazy. No, we're talking about the NFT, the Kaito NFT. So I bought it at the bottom, bottom. I still can't believe it. That is insane. So this Kaito NFT was selling for like it went up as high as like 20, sorry, like 30 something thousand. Jesus Christ. I mean, guys, look, man. Let me see this. Let me see. Like, I'll pull up CoinGecko. I like this is crazy. Like, you just have to pull the trigger, man. Don't be afraid to pull the trigger. That's what it is. I think.
On crypto Twitter, pretty much.
I just can't believe this shit. It's fucking crazy, man. It's crazy out here, man. It is crazy,
Everybody that bought the token that's seen it pump recently, the Genesis NFTs are fucking cooking. I mean, literally,
bro. You know what's crazy about the NFC? The market cap is only 9 million.
oh shit, there's only 1,500.
That's it. Market cap is 9 million in the extremely low supply token for the most bullish project we've seen probably since Uniswap and or PancakeSwap. I
Let me explain like why I bought it too. Though, like
It's just crazy, guys. I swear, like you just have to pull the trigger. I'm going to show you something real quick.
if you did buy it, like it would have been good as well. But
This is the reason why like you can't let fear paralyze you when you want to make a decision. I mean, I get it, but you got to take a risk. I'm going to show you something real quick. I bought Kaito and it is fucking mooned, man. It's in just like what in a week or 2 weeks. It is mooned right now. My VPN. So bear with me. Yeah, okay. We should be back now. Yeah, so it's crazy, man. Let me show you guys real quick. So just bear with me. I just want to show you why you shouldn't let fear paralyze you. Um, it's just it's crazy. Like this crypto. I'm coming. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Yeah, perfect. Share screen. Let me share screen. Um, $100%. All right, so here, so I'm gonna show you guys something real quick, right? This is the reason why you shouldn't let fear paralyze you. I'm gonna show you something. This was where the market was. It was nasty, man. Nobody wanted anything anymore. It was just nasty. I know I've been in crypto for a while and all that shit, but I said fuck it. Just pull this trigger. Is what it is, man. Right? It's whatever. Um, but we'll see. We'll see. So this fucking NFT, I bought this shit like 3 ETH, man. Wow. Bro, it's not even that, bro. Remember, ETH is trading at 1,800. When ETH gets to 4K, how much do you think this is gonna be? So I'm not. Look, I know I bought it. I know I caught the bottom, but the lesson here is don't let fear paralyze you. Because I've been here before. I hunted this shit for 3 weeks. I was in Coma's DM like, hey man, come on, what's up with this NFT, man? And I think after a while, I say, look, risk reward, just pull the trigger, right? And I think you have to do the same thing with a lot of projects, guys. Look at the one that Dave was talking about, the AI virtuals. Look at virtuals, or look at Farts Coin. I saw that Farts Coin you could have made a couple of $1 million from Farts Coin if you bought it 6 months ago. So people were afraid, oh, Farts Coin is garbage, garbage. Fear will paralyze you, and it will take away your opportunity to make life-changing money, man. That's why you just pull the trigger, man. Just pull the trigger. You only live once. As long as you don't sell your house to go buy tokens, that you're fine. Okay. No, I say take a risk, but don't take a calculated risk. Risk meaning the risk you're willing to let go to zero. Don't just dump everything on black, right? Just take a chance, but don't dump everything. Just take a risk, but not all 100% risk. A risk that you're okay with losing. That's what I'm saying.
Bad boy said always bet on black. So bad boy.
Yeah. So guys, yeah, man. So let me show you guys real quick. I bought the Capital NFT. Yeah, sorry about that. They're about to end the show now. So I'm just blown away by this because I want you guys to learn from me. I make mistakes too. And of course, when I do well, I share everything I talk about, right? So, so here I'm gonna show you. I mean, guys, look at this shit right here, man. I bought this NFT. This was like not a month ago, like at the bot right here, right? Yeah, I bought it right here at the bottom. This was I bought this thing like not even May 3rd. Nah, it wasn't even lower than that, man. Right here, I bought it like right here, yeah, like May 2nd or something like that. No, not May 2nd. It was lower than that. I bought it like a 1.7 ETH, I think, or 1.6. Oh, right here, April. It was about a month ago, April 6th, when I bought it. Things were just nasty. Nobody wanted it. And just like that, in 24 hours, look at this shit. Look at this, man. I bought this thing for 1.6 ETH. And right now it's at 3.37 in a month. So I didn't buy it to flip it, right? I bought it to get access to the Kaito and projects and all that shit. But another reason is I did my calculations, right? When this thing came out, it went to 30 Ethereum, 30 ETH for this thing. And I'm like, it went from 30 ETH all the way down to $2,000, right? Like from 30 ETH to 1 ETH. It's a no-brainer, guys. It's a no-brainer. So this is the reason why I'm like, guys, just take a chance. Don't be paralyzed by fear. And you will do well, man. I mean, we'll see what happens. It's what it is. Kaiser will go down. Who knows? Take a chance. That's what I'm saying. All right, guys, let's start the show, man. Welcome. Whoa, look at the volume. Let's fucking go. Interest is back. Look at our volume. Give me a second. Okay. So, guys, welcome to the crypto show. Crypto Hour Live. Yeah, there you go. I'm Cool Crypto. I talk about crypto every day. I'm live every day. I want you guys to look at this shit, man. Like this is really cool, right? Today's Wednesday. On Monday, remember we spoke about this already. The trading volume on a weekday is how you determine the strength of crypto, right? Is there interest? Monday, we had $77 billion in trading volume. That is extremely low. You cannot have a bullish market without volume that low. Of course, remember, the lower the trading volume, the easier it is for whales to dump the market or to pump the markets, right? Look at today, 122 billion in trading volume, which means we basically just almost doubled the trading volume. So something's going on. Like there's some renewed interest into crypto again, which is pretty cool. Because normally weekday numbers, we normally have weekday numbers of like over 100 billion trading volume. That's our normal exciting number, right? Yeah, so it's pretty cool, man. I think it's pretty cool. So, guys, let's look at this prices real quick. Then we'll jump onto headlines. They'll kind of follow the show. And definitely, this is my Twitter page. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. So this is what we're talking about today. I did make a quick like right here. So we're talking about the crypto hour, like 5 minutes. This is what we're talking about today, man. Market overview, crypto headlines, the InfoFi, and all that. So it's on my page right now to see what we're talking about today. So let's go back to just a quick market overview. So right now, Bitcoin is at $97,352, up 1.2%. Up a little bit, I guess. Ethereum is 1,822. Whoo, where we got it? Oh boy. Is up 0.9%. That's pretty awesome. XRP sideways, $2.14. Sideways down 0.4%. BNB is up 0.2%. Solana is 148 at up 1.5%. To be honest with you, things are sideways, guys. Nothing is pumping, not really. Not really. Sui is up 0.8%. Chainlink is doing okay, up 1%. Let's look at Polkadot. I own a lot of it. Sideways, Su up 0.8%. Nothing's popping off, guys. These big caps right here, just going sideways. I think the real action might be with the lower caps, but like I said, we don't know, right? Lower caps are weird, right? We don't know how high this thing could, how high these things could go. We have no idea. So, but as of right now, yeah, man. Right now we have the top trending tokens right now. The number one trending token is Kaito. That's pretty cool. Kaito's up 78% in the past 7 days. That's pretty cool. Just 7 days ago, this shit was at 0.8. Kaito was like 0.7, 0.8, and now it's almost $2, man. 50 cents away from $2. It's crazy. I think something is coming, right? Actually, I'm gonna make a tweet real quick, man. Something is coming because I made a tweet yesterday about how something is coming with Kaito. Like before me, right here, this tweet aged very, very well. This tweet, 1 second. This tweet aged well because I posted this stuff yesterday. I said somebody knows something. This tweet age very well. Very well. Kaito NFT at over 3 ETH. That's crazy. This shit is crazy. Crypto is nuts, man. I swear. Like you just gotta pull the trigger, man. Like it's what it is. Kaito token up Kaito's up 59%. Crazy, man. 59% in 24 hours. I swear, like you just gotta put a trigger. I made this yesterday. I'm gonna put it up. I think 3.4 ETH. Crazy stuff, man. All right. I had to make a tweet about this. This is so fascinating. Yeah, man. So the top trending tokens right now, and let me. Okay, cool. The top trending tokens right now, top trending tokens are. Where did you go? Where are you? Number one is where did I miss? Oh, here you go. So Kaito is the top trending token right now at $1.49, up 78% 7 day, up 59% in the past 24 hours. That's pretty awesome. Something's about to happen. I don't know what it is. Something's about to happen. I don't have an idea. Whenever tokens move like this is not me buying. This is whales, man. Some whale somewhere knows something. Somebody knows something that's about to happen very soon. And I think that's the reason why maybe they're buying it to stake it. I don't know, but somebody's buying this shit. I don't know who it is, but somebody is. So we got Vana chain up 5%, 24 hours. Mantra, what's going on? But Mantra, Mantra down 7%. Okay, Bitcoin up 1%. These are trending. Solare, man, what's up with Solare? Man, it is just getting wrecked, man. Barry Chain, okay, Barry Chain is doing well again, man. It's up over $3 now. It's at 3.02 or 4% past 24 hours. Warriors down 2%. Trump token sideways. Hyperliquid is doing well, man. Back over $21 again. That's cool. Ondo Finance also sideways. Like I said, a lot of things are doing weird things right now. We don't really know why things are going up. Things are going down. But in okay, let's look at the top gainers, right? The top gainers will kind of tell us, because I don't really know where things are going right now, right? I can't tell. Okay, right now the top losers, we see them: Solare, Obel, Milky Way. Oh, I got this airdrop, 22%. Oh my god, holy moly! Camino's down, a lot of house coins down, a lot of shit's going down. All right, what's pumping? Let's pump in, man. What's pumping? We got Agents Ted up 115%. Kaito up 50%. Alpaca Finance up 32%. Mocoin up 22%. Yeah, it's like I said, it's very weird. I don't know, man. Like some meme coins are coming up. Look at Popcat up. It's weird, guys. I don't know, man. It's so strange because we don't really know where the market is going. Some AIs are doing well, some are not. So it's very, very hard to determine. That's why just find protocols you like and just double down on that protocol, man. All right, let's jump onto the headlines, see what's going on with the crypto markets. I'm sorry, with crypto market headlines. So Adar, what's up, Adar? How you doing, buddy? So let's take a look at the crypto headlines here. Okay, you guys will see me. Perfect. Let's look at show all. Yeah, we could spend 20 minutes on this, man. 20 minutes on this, no problem. No problem. All right, so right here, Senate nears deal on stablecoin bill as lawmakers race against the clock. We'll see what happens. They're trying to pass stablecoin bill in the U.S. This is going to give a very clear regulation for stablecoins in America, and I'm sure other countries will follow too. Robinhood plans to build blockchain tokenized platform to enable EU investors to access US stocks. Wow. I swear, like, man, crypto is going to do well, guys. Like, we just need to be patient, man. I mean, that's what it is. People don't know patience. The best way to have patience in crypto is to find a way to distract you from looking at prices every day. That's kind of what I've done. That's what I've done, right? I'm busy. I write content. I do Web 2 job. I do Web 3 job. I'm doing all kinds of shit. So I don't really look at price all the time anymore. That's the best way to do it, man. Really. Robinhood plans to Robinhood is one of the biggest US stock trading companies in America, and also they do some crypto stuff. And they're launching a blockchain, man, to help tokenize stocks to give access to EU investors. Wow. This is crazy, man. Robinhood is planning a blockchain to trade US assets in Europe.
Pretty wild. Yeah, imagine. That's the thing. Imagine that, like,
yeah. I'm gonna tell these guys. This should have ended already. I haven't ended it.
Or rather, you want to train an agent, or you want to replace, like, you doing it with an agent doing it, right?
Yeah, but see, they talk a lot.
All
right, so let's see going in. Bitcoin price is bottom. I don't know. Is it bottom? It's possible. Yes. Maybe. I would say though, we can't call it the bottom, right? A bottom to me, they range. Bottom to me is basically Bitcoin from $77,000 to $95K. That's a bottom for me. ETH bottom is 1,400 to 1,900. That's a bottom. So yeah, but you guys are talking. I don't know if I'm gonna tell them this news, but
And if you think incognito is really incognito, I don't know why we still do that, but like whatever. It's Google's way of being like, you think
yeah, I want to give this news, but
whatever.
hey, Dave, I know I'm on my show. I just real quick. I'm doing my show right now. I just thought to give you guys this. Did you guys see this news about Robinhood? They're planning a blockchain to trade U.S. stocks for the people in Europe, for the EU. I'm just reading this headline on my show right now on YouTube. I just thought I'd let you guys know, which is crazy.
I think that news came out also because of the crypto.com was doing the same thing, right?
That's you guys have to understand, like, crypto is about to go mainstream to the levels we've never seen before. We're talking about trillions and trillions of dollars added onto crypto market cap. You guys buckle up, man. Like straight, just buckle up. Buckle up. It's going to be a crazy ride in our industry. I swear, for real. All right, let's keep going. Bitcoin setup, perfect rally. Yeah, we don't know. Bitcoin. Guys, Bitcoin's going to do well. It's going to take a long time, right? Breaking news: Bitcoin strategic reserve just passed. Okay, where? We spoke about this yesterday. New Hampshire signed a bill. I think that
for the first time in American history, a
I'm
U.S. state
assuming-
just declared
I'm
Bitcoin
assuming-
a
yeah,
strategic
this is not
reserve
new news.
asset.
We spoke about
New
this
Hampshire, live free or die.
yeah, they
Just let
passed
the
a bill
views.
yesterday.
And
New
this-
Hampshire is
this
the first
just the
official
beginning.
state
You are now
to
witnessing
pass
the
a
fourth
Bitcoin
turning
reserve bill.
go parabolic.
They're
The
going to,
Fed
I
is
think they're
in
going to
panic
allocate
mode.
5%
Michael
of
Saylor
public
just dropped the
funds
most savage
buy
corporate
Bitcoin and add it
Bitcoin
to the
pitch
reserve.
ever.
Guys,
We have a
all
couple clips
50
that are going
states
to blow
in the
your
US are
mind.
going
And
to
Jay
do this
Powell takes
exact
the
same
mic
thing
today.
too.
And what happens
It's going
next
to fucking
could
happen for
launch
sure.
Bitcoin to
Mark my
200K
words,
and
man.
beyond. Welcome back. I'm
Stripe
Rustin,
rolls
and
out
buckle up because it's
stablecoin
time
accounts
to
in over
send it.
100 countries. What else?
I'll give you
Stellar
two
wallet
pieces of this.
activity
Number one,
fuels
Bitcoin
Pilot
clearly over the
work,
past
Binance
15 years of
listing
its
rumors.
existence has been the best performing asset
Yeah,
class
guys.
in history, bar none.
The headline's
It
not
is
too
widely
juicy today,
expected
man.
to continue that track
pa-
record over the next
payment-
10 years.
payment giants
So
Visa.
on an attitude
Payment
of trying to
giants
create
Visa
wealth long term, crypto makes a lot of
in
sense.
stablecoin
Second, most
infrastructure
importantly
firm
from investment advisors' perspective,
BVNK in the U.S.
Bitcoin's
market
price
expansion.
movements are
Yeah, guys,
independent
this is the
of
beginning,
all
guys.
other asset
A lot of things
classes.
about to
The
happen,
prices
man.
don't move in
For real.
sync with stocks or bonds or real estate or gold or
Ripple,
oil or
USDC
commodities,
versus
and that
Elo,
makes it a perfect addition
Assassin,
to a diversified
XRP,
portfolio. If you
Cambridge,
engage in
well,
rebalancing, which
all this
all
is
investors
short-term
ought to
stuff.
do
The long-term
periodically,
stuff is going to be
owning
crazy.
Bitcoin
We're
helps
going
to
to have
lower the risk of the
trillions
portfolio
of dollars
while improving the
added
returns.
onto the market cap
A
of Bitcoin.
risk-adjusted
It's going to
profile
happen.
is one of the big
100%.
claims to fame of adding Bitcoin to a diversified portfolio.
It's really the big claim for anything. I mean,
this is the biggest news
why
I've
do I
seen
need
today.
a new asset class?
And on my
I have stocks,
timeline,
I have bonds, I have a nice fund for short-term
Robinhood plans
money. I have a money market
blockchain
fund,
for
and I have a little
US
bit of
asset
gold.
trading
Why should
in
I add
Europe. Crazy.
Bitcoin? Your point is diversification,
Cardano price 1.3,
lower volatility,
flag, yes.
potentially adding to returns. Those are good reasons.
Binance
That's all there is
publishes
to it. In other words, if you believe in
proof
modern
of reserve,
portfolio theory,
okay,
if you
that's
believe
cool.
in Harry Markowitz and his Nobel Prize-winning research,
OCC
it says
approves banks
investing is as
to
much about
handle
risk
crypto
as
assets.
return. We want to manage that
Guys,
risk. We want to
there's going to
diversify
be a
so that we don't have 12 eggs in
when
one basket. We have 12
we are
eggs in 12
sending
baskets. Well, if
our
I can
crypto
add a new
assets to
basket,
the
if I
banks
can
to
further
custody for
diversify
us,
my risks to protect
banks
myself
are
on the
going to have
downside
their own
while
crypto
preserving my
addresses.
potential for
This is
upside,
coming. Yes.
Why wouldn't I want to
It's
add
crazy
the
out
newest
here, man. I'm
asset
telling
class,
you, it's
the first
nuts.
one to be invented in 170
XRP Ledger,
years? Last time
XRP
we had a new
Ledger
asset class was the
payment
discovery of
surged to
oil
1
in the
million
1850s.
in May.
This is a wonderful opportunity to further improve the
trillion-dollar
diversification, and all the
fintech
academic
giants
data
driving
tells us.
steps
And
into
what
stable
That's
coins.
right.
Of course
There
they
is
do.
no second
Because
best, and the
Tether,
strategic Bitcoin
Tether
Reserve
made more
era has
money
officially
than
begun.
BlackRock,
The
guys.
governor
You
just
know what I
signed
mean?
HB
Tether have
302,
like
making New
20
Hampshire the
employees.
first state in America to
BlackRock has
stack
like
sats like
50,000.
it's Fort Satoshi.
Do you understand
What
how
does
crazy that is?
mean? It means the United
If you get
States
into
just
the
officially
into
entered the Bitcoin game
stablecoin,
theory
you can make
endgame.
so
And the
much
odds
fucking
of
money, man.
multiple
And that is
states
why
doing
all
the
these
same
companies,
just
they
went
want to
vertical.
share.
Arizona's
They
already
want
next
to
in
launch their own
line.
stablecoin
Again,
to make
this is
money
not a
too.
drill.
That's what they
Though,
want.
of
That's why
course,
this game
Katie
is played, man.
Slob will probably f it up, and that's
What else? What
fine.
else? What
You're
else?
free to choose to have fun
Crypto.com
staying
expands
poor.
U.S.
Make no
presence
mistake.
with
This is a
with
race, a
new
digital gold
Washington
rush, a
D.C.
monetary
office.
arms
Jesus
race
Christ.
against inflation, debt, and the collapse of the fiat
Oh my
system
God!
itself.
Like
Let's
they
zoom
going to
out.
Valhalla,
According
man.
to Neil Howe,
It's
we are
gonna take a
living
long
through a
time.
fourth turning, a
That's the
chaotic
difference
rebirth
between
of the
now
old
and 4
world
years ago.
order. Trump,
We're
tariffs,
not going to have
populism,
those.
rate
Oh,
shocks,
we do
central bank
1,000x
panic.
every day.
It's
No,
all
no, no, no.
happening now. And what's
You
the
can get
asset that
1,000x from
thrives
Bitcoin,
in
right? Of
chaos,
course.
that shines when institutions
You're
fail?
having
Well, it's
crypto
not gold.
companies
It's
opening
Bitcoin.
offices
And now the
in
fire's
Washington,
spreading.
D.C.
China just
The
slashed rates. The
capital,
Bank of
the
Canada
U.S.
just cut. The
capital,
U.S. is on
where
deck.
all
If
the
Powell follows,
politicians
it could
are.
mean
That's how you
250
do it, man. That's
basis
what these
points
guys are
from
doing.
here. And if that
They're
happens, you
getting
better
ready.
believe
Of course,
Bitcoin's
not
not
already.
stopping
They're
at
already
100K. We're talking
pouring
200K plus and a lot higher.
millions,
And
hundreds
Scott
of millions
Bessent,
already
Trump's Treasury
into
Secretary, says the
politicians'
debt
pocket.
ceiling will be raised and
And
default
now
isn't an
they're
option. Translation: the
they're
money printer
building
stays on. The
offices
U.S.
in
will inflate away the
DC.
debt, just like Luke
Guys, you guys
Groman's
have to
been
understand
warning,
how
and just
big
like
this shit is,
Bitcoiners
man.
have
Like,
predicted for the
yo,
past like
we got
15
Adar.
years.
Adar
Check it
said,
out.
Do anything about it
what's
because
your
there
idea
are no.
for Kaito
We've now
coin
let it
in
go
the long
so
term?
long. There are no
I'm bullish
easy
on
answers.
Kaito,
There's
man.
only
Like,
a
guys,
couple
I've been
things
talking
you
about
can
Kaito
cut,
for a long
and that
time.
is
I mean, from
defense,
day one.
which no
I've
one
been
wants
talking
to
about Kaito
cut,
from the past 3 months.
entitlements, which no one wants
The
to
market
cut,
cap of Kaito
or
right
interest
now
rates,
is on
which means we're going to
$300
have a
million
longer
market
period of
cap.
higher
Is
inflation, which no one
Kaito
wants to
a
do.
multi-billion
And so
dollar
when, sort
project?
of
Yes,
three
I believe so.
choices, none of which that anyone wants,
Could Kaito get to
I think
1
you get
billion?
what we've
Yes.
had, which
That's
is
basically like
they just pretend it doesn't.
like a 5x, like a 4
You know,
or 5x.
I think what Ayn Rand said, you can ignore reality, but you can't ignore the consequences of ignoring reality. And I think we're starting to bump up against some of those consequences of ignoring reality
you had
for a long time.
opportunity to buy
But I think that's
Kaito
why no one wants to really talk about
Kaito went to like 0.7.
the issues and the
That was
devaluation
all-time
of
low. That was
needed devaluation
like a month
of
ago,
U.S.
I think.
debt, gold, etc.
Like
is
3 weeks ago. So
ultimately
if
there's
you
only a couple
buy
ways out of
Kaito
this,
today,
and there's
you're looking at
productivity miracle,
potential
which
3 to
has some
4x. That's all.
issues
That's
of its
probably
own if it's not
what
done at exactly the
I
right
could
pace.
see
But other
you
than
get.
that, it's
in the crazy
default
bull run, Kaito could go
or
10x from here.
financially repressed, inflate away the
10x from
debt,
here
which
will
is
put Kaito
basically
at
just a higher
the
period of inflation
3.
while you're repressing rates, keeping rates low.
Yeah,
So
at a 3.
these are
Wait,
things
no.
that people just don't like to
Wait.
hear. They don't like to talk
No.
about.
And
it's
10x is kind of heavy, man.
They have
put it at
political
a
implications, and so
at
they
a
don't
30
want to.
billion
They
market
don't want to
cap,
talk about
which is
that.
Global
that's
M2 is up
I'll
3.8%
say
this year
probably
alone,
3
now
to
over
5x is a good
107
number.
trillion. And Bitcoin is tracking
But,
this liquidity wave with
you know,
an 80%
to me, anyone that buys
correlation.
Kaito,
Every
you're
time they
buying
pour
it
fuel on the
to
fire,
stake it because
Bitcoin
you already
ignites.
share the network,
Michael
right? That's
Saylor just told
what
Microsoft,
the game is
stop the buybacks.
for this.
Buy Bitcoin instead. Bitcoin is
But
10x
yeah,
better
man,
than
Blue, what's
buying
up,
your
bro?
own stock.
Cool.
So
One of
Bitcoin
you
is
one of the
outperforming,
times-
you know,
Oh.
Microsoft is going to do a buyback.
Sorry.
Buying
This
Bitcoin
is,
would be 10x better than buying
sorry,
your own
guys.
stock.
Let me see. Let me close
If
those links.
if
I
Microsoft
apologize, man. There's
buys
some links in the music.
bonds, you're destroying
I'm closing all of it now.
99.7% of your capital over 10 years.
Oh, sorry. So I
Right?
think we should be good now. I
That's
think
the
we should be good.
problem. Bonds are toxic. But
One of you,
buying your own
one of your
stock
titles playing
destroys
and discovering audio.
97%
Oh,
of your
shit.
capital.
Sorry about that. Because
So
you should
you're
told
going
me
to
this
destroy
sooner, man. I'm
97% of
sorry
your
about that,
capital
man. I'm
buying the
sorry about
stock
that. I think it must have
of
been one of the
MSFT
times. I think I'm
versus
good,
buying the Bitcoin. And if
man.
you want to
Let me close
outperform,
everything. Let me
you want to reverse the transaction. You put Bitcoin on the balance
Everything's
sheet.
closed. So I should
And
be
he's
good
not
now.
just talking to Microsoft.
Right?
He's talking to every CEO with cash.
Oh no,
while
no,
you hand out
sorry. Is this clown right here? Is this guy talking? It wasn't the other thing. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. I can't hear it. I don't have my headphones on me. I'm gonna start using my headphones. Is it even here? Is it here? That's probably in my room or something. Okay. All right. Let me close this shit. Okay, cool. It's closed. So you guys should be fine now. All right. What else? What else? What else did I miss? What else did I miss? Yeah, a lot of news coming out, man. Crypto.com expands U.S. presence with new Washington D.C. office. Extremely bullish. OCC banks can now buy and sell their customers' crypto assets held in custody. I told you. I'm telling you, watch what happens in the near future. It's gonna be crazy. Banks are gonna be custodying crypto now. DeFi Development Corp approves 7-to-1 split amid broader Sol treasure push. Okay, cool. Top 5 ETH Layer 2 tokens to watch after Petra upgrade. Layer 2s to watch. What is it? We got Ethereum Layer 2s watch. Arbitrum, Starknet, Mantle, Avo, Fuel. Okay, I didn't see optimism there, but okay. What else? Falling Dixie. So that's the dollar index. So the US dollar index is called Dixie, the DXY. The DXY, a lower DXY, a weaker US dollar means a stronger Bitcoin, a stronger crypto. So remember when COVID happened, the strength of the dollar crashed, man. And you saw what happened to crypto, right? The markets went nuts. So the US dollar index is going down right now, which is possibly fueling. Falling Dixie, that's the US dollar index, part of US financial system long-term transition. Will Bitcoin shine? Of course, Bitcoin shine. A weak dollar means a strong Bitcoin. Yeah, a strong dollar. Oh boy, Bitcoin crashes, man. Actually, crypto crashes. If the US dollar is strong, which it was for the past like 3 years, yeah. All right, what else? Ex-SafeMoon CEO claims innocence, blames founder as trial begins. Oh boy. What else? Which is the most important support for Solana? Nasdaq listed Bitcoin miner Core Scientific net $500 million in net profit. Fuck. I love when crypto companies make money because what it does is it brings eyes to our asset class because we all own the network together, not just me. We all share the network. We all buy, so we all own it together. So yeah. Solana named service to airdrop 40% of token supply. I don't think I have a .sol address. I don't think so. I never did. I probably should have. Fed stagflation risk could be bullish for Bitcoin. Guys, I don't know, man. It's all this price stuff is too short term. In the short term, we cannot go to Valhalla in the short term. This is the reason I don't like talking about the price for crypto in a day or in a week or in a month. Nah, man, nah. If we go to Valhalla in 6 months, we're going to crash. We don't want that. We want a slow grind up because that indicates a strong market. You want a slow grind up. Blue Blood said, check again. There's still no, I think it might be. It might be this. I'm on a space, man. I'm on a space, but I don't want to end it. I'm the co-host on that show, so that's probably what you're hearing, man. Because there's nothing else on. There's nothing else. Everything is closed. There's nothing else on. Yeah, you're probably hearing my phone. That's probably why. It's a news channel. Yeah, everything should be closed. You're probably hearing because I put my phone under the chair, so you should be good. I've shut everything down. It shouldn't be anything else. I don't think so. Yeah, everything should be closed already. So, all right, cool. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep the show going. Okay. What else? Uh 3 hours. What else did I miss? What else did I miss here? Man, a lot of headlines, guys. Holy shit, a lot of headlines. Okay. Fed stagnation risk could be good for Bitcoin. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Binance BNB chain rebounds amid institution and DeFi adoption. Yes. So we saw that they filed for a BNB ETF. Remember what I said before? The next wave of crypto are going to be ETFs for crypto assets. If your asset does not have an ETF, they're not going to touch it. That's what's going to happen in crypto. We've seen a lot of applications for ETF. We've seen Solana ETF, XRP ETF, Cardano ETF, Polkadot ETF, Chainlink ETF, Stellar Lumens XLM ETF, Pengu ETF. We've seen BNB ETF. That's 8, right? We've seen Litecoin ETF. That's 9. We've seen, if I remember on top of my head, that's kind of Axilla. I think I saw that too. That's 10. There's more. That's 10 ETFs that's been filed already. And I read there's over 70 ETFs on the desk of the SEC chairman right now. 72 ETFs. I'm sure there's more. This news was like 3 weeks ago. So there's going to be more, right? And that's, to me, is going to be the next wave. Those ETFs galore. That's probably what's going to be next wave for crypto right now. So we're going to make since it's okay. YouTube. Okay, it might be the YouTube stuff that shut down. That's probably what that's making a noise, man. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Galaxy Digital taps Zodiac custody to expand staking services in Europe. Okay, that's cool. How Trump's trade policies could supercharge Bitcoin. Yeah, we already know it's going to happen. Just a matter of time. G7 to confront North Korea's billion-dollar crypto heist at Canada Summit. Yeah, man. It's we have an issue with crypto with this hacks, man. With like something needs to happen. Summer of, I told you guys, look at the headline. This is 3 hours ago. Summer of crypto ETFs. Could XRP, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and Solana hit Wall Street soon? ETFs galore. It's coming. If we're gonna get ETF this year, what I'm saying is we're probably gonna get a lot more by December of 2026. We should have multiple ETFs trading. Multiple, yes. What else? Bitfinex, Bitcoin must hold 95K. Mark Cuban has a blunt response to Trump Ventures. Vivek Ramaswamy strive to launch Bitcoin treasury strategy. Wow, war chest over $1 billion. Yeah, guys, I swear, there's a lot going on out here, man, and I'm excited, man. I mean, there's a lot coming. I just think people just need to enjoy the ride. I know a lot of hype. People get excited and all that. Okay, let's look at the top trending headlines here. We got Stripe rolls out stablecoin account in over 100 countries. $1 trillion fintech giant Stripe steps into stablecoins. Careful when signing messages on Ethereum Petra. Okay. Bitcoin rises as Fed holds rate steady. Okay. Can Ethereum outperform Bitcoin in 2025? Of course it will. ETH is out oversold, next level oversold. So of course it will. Ethereum Petra upgrade is live, bringing major challenges to wallet functionality. Okay, I'm sure they'll probably fix that. Ethereum developers activate Petra upgrade with 11 changes to improve UI. Okay, cool. And layer 2 scaling. Okay, awesome. All right, guys, let's jump into. I said we're going to talk about. I normally kind of go over. Let me go to my Twitter page right here. So, as of right now, as you guys know, Kaito is all the rave right now. I think that we need to we need to kind of jump on the train. Let me open up Kaito real quick. I think we need to jump on the train. If you haven't yet, you should. I don't think it's too late, especially if you've done the right strategy. I think people just need to know what to do. I've talked about this stuff so many times now, till I'm blue in the face. But I want you guys to understand that there's a way to play the game on Kaito now. You have to know how to play it, right? It's not as hard, but it could be done. So as of right now, there are many projects on the Kaito leaderboard. Look at all these protocols, man. All these projects don't have a token. So if you interact with all these projects, you're gonna get rewards. Look at all this shit. It's a lot, man. It's a lot, like seriously. And I'm going to talk about this today, Succinct, right? This one, just briefly. Yeah, man. But I want you guys to trying to see what's really going on here, man. It's really cool. It really is. But it's a lot of protocols on there. I mean, look at these projects. I mean, they don't have tokens, so you could get rewarded on many of them. And if you don't know what to do, it's simple. Look for one of these projects. Look for one that hasn't been talked about too much. My opinion, I would say Thrive Protocol is one. I'll say talk about. I mean, if I say talk about, like, make tweets about them. Talk about Maple Story. Where is it? Maple Story, where are you? Right here. Maple Story is another one. Talk about Huma. Huma is also new, just came up. I mean, it does talk about them, and you talk about them, you get on the leaderboard. For example, right now, I've been talking about SoulFun for so damn long, man. I've been yapping about these guys for a long time, and you can see on the 30-day leaderboard, I'm ranked number 28 right here. I was actually ranked number 4 before. Now I'm ranked number 28 on the SoulFun leaderboard. So you need to be on the top 50. On the top 50 to get rewarded. They paid me like $1,200 for the first phase 1. And phase 2 might be even bigger. So opportunities out there. You got to get that early. I recommend you guys just talk about these projects, man. Talk about them and trying to get access to them early. And I think you should do very, very well with them. I'm not saying like it's super easy, but I think that you got to get there early. It's all about getting there early and just be active. You talk about them, talk about the projects early enough, and you should do very, very well, man. So guys, let me open up. So guys, we have like 15 minutes left before we end the show. I was going to talk about this other one. It's called Succinct. It's pretty cool. I love what they're doing. This protocol right here. Succinct is currently ranked. I'm not even sure. Let me go to the pre-TGE leaderboard. Right now, it's currently ranked like probably like number 9 or 8 on the leaderboard. I'm not even sure. Monad is number 1. Huma Finance is ranked number 2. Number 3 is Pump Fun. Caldera is still here. But yeah, a lot of opportunities here, man. Guys, it's very simple. If you don't know what to do on Kaito, just give me a follow. I talk about this shit all the time. If you are active, all you have to do is come to the Kaito website. Pick a project that nobody else is talking about. And start talking about them continuously. I'm talking about 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 tweets per day about this project, and you should do very well, man. If you do that, you should do very, very well. Then okay, let me go on there real quick. Let me open up the page here, and we'll just take a look at the Succinct. I normally just take like a brief overview on one project a day, and today's one is SoulFun. Okay, so let's see. Then they're currently on testnets. That's where they are right now. And let me do one more thing real quick. Let me change this to 1 second. Twitter. Yeah, so a lot of opportunities, guys. A lot. You just got to get there early. That's how this game is played. The earlier you are on any asset class anywhere, you should do very, very well. And I think that's the alpha, right? Getting into these protocols early is how you do well. That's how the game is played. One second. More. Let me just give me a second. Where is this then? I just want to check something real quick. Succinct. Sure. Okay, just bear with me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna show you this real quick. And I believe when this project goes on mainnets, you guys have to be there on day one. This is how you make you do well in this is how you do well in crypto, right? Because right now this project is heavily gated, and it's difficult to get access into it right now. But I would recommend when they will go to mainnet someday, and when they do, that's when your opportunity is, and that's when you get it, and that's when you are going to do very, very well, man. You know what I mean? All right, let me muted. Yes, okay, I gotta mute this thing. All right, cool. All right, so just usually I do 1 or 2 protocols a day, but I have like 12 minutes. Actually, let me see. Am I logged in on? Let me log in real quick. I have to make sure I'm logged in onto this. But this is a test for now. It's heavily gated. You might not have access to it now, but I recommend that you should find a way to get access into it eventually. When they go to mainnets, because they will probably find a way to get access into mainnets. And I know it does make sounds, man. I hope it's not too loud, but let me see. Let me see if I can put it somewhere that doesn't make any noise. I hope there's no sound on it. I don't know. I'm not sure if you guys can hear any sounds, but I hope it's not too loud. Sorry. Let me see if I turn this down real quick. I'm not sure. I hope it's not too loud. All right, cool. All right. So let me Logic. Whoa, came in late. Oh, no worries. No worries. I'll be back again tomorrow, man. This shows we're live every day, bro. So no issue. No issue. But like I said, guys, go take a look at this thing. This Kaito stuff. Find a way to interact with it. The next one is Wall Chain. I talked about this already on my page. This one is hard also for you to get access into this. Wow, it's full. Whoa. $7,000. Oh shit, let's go. Okay, I'll make a tweet about this, man, soon. All right, so let me share my screen real quick. So the next other SocialFi or InfoFi is called Wall Chain. This project, I've been on it for a bit. I'm currently ranked number 30. I think they're like 60,000 people on it. I'm not even sure. But I'm ranked number 30. I found it very, 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 very early. It's very, very hard to get on this one. I actually tried to get people access, but it's very difficult. You need to have a Twitter score above 50. A lot of the people that I wanted to give it to, they had a very, very poor Twitter score. They can't get in. But what I would say is, man, I maybe just look out for my posts. Look out for my posts. Maybe what I'll do is I'll do a separate show, a separate segment for Wall Chain. And the founder of Wall Chain is coming to our show next week. So so that'll be pretty cool. So you come answer some questions. And we've been giving out invites, but it's very hard to get on this. I'm not gonna lie, it's very difficult. I'm not gonna lie, it is hard. So let's jump. Just a brief talk about a brief deep dive on Succinct. Let me share my screen. Where did you go? Perfect, right here. Hope you guys can see it. All right, so just a quick overview. I normally just do a quick overview for projects every day. Today's deep dive is quick overview, not deep dive, a mini deep dive. So I'm talking about Succinct today. I hope I'm saying it right. I'm not even sure. Succinct. I hope I'm saying it right, but that's it. This is what we're looking at today. I found this protocol on Kaito, right? And I've been bullish on this stuff. I do have the VIP access into this. They're currently on testnets. So what is Succinct? What does it do, right? We're just going to take a brief and of course follow them on Twitter. This is their Twitter page right here. Follow them on Twitter. This is them right here. That's pretty cool. If you do, you should. I recommend you should. So just a brief talk about them. What do they do? What are they about? Just bear with me. Give me a second here, real quick. Let me find it for you guys, real quick. So I think a lot of people don't know too much about this protocol yet, but they will, because once they go to mainnet, and they've made a lot of noise yet, but they're going to make even bigger noise, right? So what is Succinct? Succinct is a company building zero knowledge proofs infrastructure for blockchains, right? The SP1, a flagship open source ZK virtual machine for creating ZK proofs from Rust programs. And what's the purpose? What's the purpose of this? The purpose is to enhance blockchain scalability, privacy, and interoperability. That's what it's for. Telepathy. So the tools for trustless cross-chain communication using ZK proofs. Awesome. Also, a decentralized prover network in development to distribute ZK proof computations. They raised about $55 million in funding, Series A in 2024. And I'm sure it's probably even more than that by now. In ecosystem, they have a lot of partners, a lot, and I could show you a brief, probably a lot more protocols that partner with them so far, but they have a lot of partners with major blockchain networks for Web3 adoption. Their goal is to make ZK proofs accessible and practical for developers. So let's go to their website real quick. This let me go here. Just bear with me and make sure that I'm not too loud. Okay, cool. So let's go to their Twitter page again, right here. This is them on Twitter. Make sure you follow them. I'm gonna click their link here. Let me share the screen. I'll open up soon. There you go. So click on their website. There you can see their partners. They have a lot of partners for sure. Scroll down here, you see a lot of protocols that partner with them, and a bunch. Let me see. I've been here. I just can't remember. Maybe I hope they didn't change the web page. I don't think so. Ecosystem. Here you go. So let's take a look at the ecosystem. Look at that. So they built under using Celestia DA, also using Optimism. Also, look at all these partners, guys. It is insane. Alchemy, Alpen, Altlayer, Automata, Avail, Babylon, Caldera, Celestia, Conduit, Cosmos, Eigenlayer, Electron, Galaxy. Guys, I can't go through all. Look at all these partners. There's a lot, a whole bunch of them. So, so basically, I have the VIP code right now, and this is the website, right? So you guys might be hearing some sounds. I'm not sure. I hope you don't. I don't know, because I'm connected. You guys might be hearing some music. This probably from. I hope it's not too loud though. But right now I have access to their VIP to test out their platform, right? And you're basically playing different games, and you're getting proofs, and you kind of claim you claim points by interacting with different games and all that. And okay, this one, there were too many numbers on the system, got confused. What? Okay, so guys, you could play different games. Wonderful. I know you can probably hear sounds. I'm not sure. Probably, I'm sure. But when it's done, you lock in, and you could lock in your proofs. And when you finish, you go up here and claim your proofs once it's done. And it's pretty cool, man. There's a leaderboard for people. Like right now, this is my account, right? I'm leaderboard somewhere, but it's pretty cool though, right? But I think this protocol is spectacular. I love what they're doing. There's a lot of hype on this protocol right now, and it's really cool. I think it's really cool because the hype is real on SoFun. I'm sorry, on SoFun, on Succinct. The hype is real. And what I recommend is if you don't have the code like I do, what I recommend is follow them on Twitter. The moment they go live, make sure you interact on mainnet for you to get access to all the ecosystem. For you to interact with the ecosystem. When they go live on mainnet, just be there on day one. Right now, it's a gated testnet. They don't want too many people to jump in. I don't know. Of course, airdrop farmers and all that stuff. But the best thing for you to do is if you don't have access to Succinct, all you have to do is follow them on Twitter, follow them on Discord, and just wait until they go to mainnet. Once they do, jump in on day one. There are other ways to get access on testnet, but I'm not gonna lie to you, it's extremely difficult to get one because it's one of the most sought after projects right now, even though it's just a mainnet. But you had people like Ansem, one of the biggest KOLs in crypto, talking about Succinct, and a lot of other massive KOLs talking about Succinct. So it's very, very difficult to get access into it right now. So that's why I said follow them on Twitter. The moment they go live on mainnet, or day one, and that's what I want you guys to do. So guys, we have a couple of minutes left on the show. Thank you for coming. Probably have what, 2 minutes left? Yeah, about 2 minutes. So guys, I'll be back again tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday. Wow, Thursday already? Holy moly, yes, Thursday. My weeks fly by like crazy. It's unbelievable, man. So guys, I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Thank you for coming to the show. 6 p.m. CST. Much love, guys. I appreciate you guys. You guys are fucking awesome. Much love. Blue Ball, I see you. Anyone, Azir, Adar, and Logic, thank you for coming to the show. So I'll be back again tomorrow, 6 p.m. CST. Much love, guys. I appreciate you. Before I do, let me take my screenshot, man. I normally take a screenshot. Let me take my screenshot, man. I might flex a muscle for you guys. I'll flex. Let me flex a muscle, man. Let me see. Let me take my screenshot. Let me flex. People think I go to the gym every day. Like, okay, let me see. Got flex it. Flex a muscle for you guys. All right, guys. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. I'll be back at I'll be back again tomorrow at 6 p.m. CST. So guys, I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Peace out. Thank you for coming to the show, guys. Much love. We're back. We'll same thing. Market overview, headlines. We'll do some deep dive, and I didn't even get a chance to look at Twitter today. Okay, maybe we'll do that tomorrow. So guys, thank you for coming to the show, guys. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Peace out. Much love, guys. You guys are amazing, beautiful. I appreciate you for all the support. Thank you for all the support, man. You guys are